Today is Saturday, August 30th. This is the 1970 Cadillac Eldorado windshield wiper switch control module. This is from my friend Ray at JD's in Pennsylvania. So the unit was completely disassembled. This is a full restoration. This is video number 1 out of a 2-video set. The second video I'll be doing a functional validation test under power. We can see where the ballast fuse has been replaced, all the contacts cleaned, including the internal contact strips as well as the contacts themselves. Okay, and I'll be reassembling this unit here shortly and be doing a functional validation test. We have a brand new detailed faceplate, and also included is the hazard button for my friend Ray up there at JD's. Okay, this is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 specific parts for the Eldorados from 67 through 78. Over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items, such as these windshield wiper control modules. Today is Saturday, August 30th. Thank you very kindly.